All right, so with our controllers, we have two different styles of sample vessels. We have our professional series, which is the acrylic block with the rotary flow sensor. It has a pinwheel in there. That's what senses the water flow going through this vessel. We also have our standard package. Our standard package comes standard with our HCC controllers, but with our CAT series controllers, you have the option between either the standard package or the Pro package. The standard package has a plastic blow molded flow vessel with a float style flow switch. The good thing is with these sample vessels, they essentially operate the same. Water comes in on the left, out on the right. All right, so this is your influent, this is your effluent. Same thing here, influent, effluent. Then you have your center valve that's served as your sample line. So we can actually do a sample, test your water chemistry, open the valve up, cut like an 8-inch piece of the 3/8 OD tubing that comes with the controller, and you can test your water chemistry from right there.